available in that particular area. It could be the post office, it could be a cash machine, it could be some of the newer challenges in the market, such as pay points and similar technologies. And at the same time, there'll be a period of consultation 3 months before the bank branch is closed with the community to help them to understand what alternatives are available to them.
So if there aren't any alternatives in an area, will the...
Very close with the post office, for example, to provide an alternative that would give you a branch counter equivalent. We want to make sure that we're having a conversation with them early enough to help them to start up and prepare. And we also want to talk to you about how we can ensure that the sort of services that you might get are very whichever bank you bank with.
Okay, Eric, thank you very much for your time this morning. That's it for me.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Now, 530 years after he was killed at the Battle of Bosworth Field, Richard III will be buried at Leicester Cathedral this morning. A special service led by Archbishop of Canterbury.
It was just 3 years ago when archaeologists were delighted to find his remains under a council car park. In the last week, thousands of people have been to see his coffin. Let's find out what exactly is going to happen today. Our reporter Phil Mackey is outside Leicester Cathedral. Good morning.
Good morning. What a unique day, I suppose, for all of us. Who would have thought that we would ever be present or witnessing the reburial of the last Plantagenet king, the last English king to die in battle. His body was found just about 20 metres that way. Later on today, he'll be reinterred in a special service here about 20 metres that way. Let me bring in the Dean of Leicester Cathedral, David Monteith. Are you a little bit nervous today?
Well, of course, a little bit nervous, but mostly actually excited. I'm really looking forward to the events of this morning. 20,000 people through the cathedral in the last few days just shows the level of interest, and we're looking forward to laying the King to rest.
Now, I spoke to you about a week ago, and you weren't quite sure how it was going to go. I think now you've seen those 20,000 people, the 30-odd thousand on Sunday.